Um, what? I have no idea what he's talking about.
Go to a website.
I knew it. I knew it. I really hope this doesn't make me end up on some weird watch list.
So I thought it would be interesting to do something a little different this time, and we are going to look at some bad translation takes online. I'm going to go look through some TikTok and YouTube shorts, kind of have an idea of sort of the stuff I'm going to see, I guess. But I figured I'd just do a random search, see what I can find, and watch it with you guys and see how it goes. So let's see how this goes. This is sort of an experiment.
Okay, so here's the first video. Let's see if I can make it work. It's my first time using this software, so hopefully it'll work out. And you can hear me and the video. Let's go.
To make money online with simple translation jobs, check this out. First, head on over to Google Translate.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it would be Google Translate.
The language that you speak here and the language that you want to translate to here. And you're going to do this. Let's say, speak up. Pick up.
It did it incorrectly.
So there, right? You go on over to
Can anyone who speaks Hebrew confirm it whether that's right or not? By the way, okay, people per hour. Anyway, I know where he's going with this. And the funny thing is, he said speak up, and it understood incorrectly. It said pick up. I guess he was too lazy to type it out. But let's go on to the next video. I feel like this probably won't be the only Google Translate example we see. And anyway, I have another video coming up where I'm going to talk about this a bit more. I actually think this is a good thing for serious translators, and there's going to be a separation of people who do this and the serious ones. Everyone knows Google Translate. Anyone who hires you knows that there's the option of Google Translate, and they're going to be expecting other things. Anyway, let's go on to the next video.
How to make $30 an hour while working from home in Kenya. Go to Google and search for Google Translate. On Google Translate, you'll see two boxes. One is to enter text and the other one is for translation. When you enter text here, it translates on this other side. Example, you can do a barrier code there. You can see it has been detected as Swahili and it is translated to how are you in English.
Okay,
and
anyway.
This does not work with Swahili and English alone. It can work with any other language.
So, like I said, I knew that wouldn't be the only one Google Translate. Hopefully, they're not all Google Translate. But let's go on to the next video and see what happens.
You want to learn how you can make $100 per hour simply translating? You do? Let me show you. First thing you want to do is go to our website, translate.google.com. And once you're here, this section right here is going to be the actual language that you speak.
Why?
If you don't see your language there, you can click on this arrow and you can find the other languages right here, okay? This section to the right is the actual section that the language you're going to be translating to, okay? I'm going to click right here on this microphone, make money online. If I look to the right, it translated it for me. Next website.
Okay, so, and he's going to go to Upwork to do that. That's great. So here's the thing, though. Why can't they type? I feel like everyone here is just using the microphone. They're too lazy to even type the word. Anyway, whatever. I'm going to go through the other videos, and if they're Google Translate, I'm going to stop it now, but because I think we've seen enough examples. But let's see if there's anything else.
You can make up to $21 an hour. Boom! As a translator with Keyword Studios, translation required, passion for games, remote job news. Boom! You can make up to
What? Okay, I need to watch it again. Sorry.
$21 an hour. Boom! As a translator with Keyword Studios, translation required, passion for games, remote job news. Boom! You can make.
I have no idea what he's talking about. Keyword Studios, passion for games, boom. Boom. If anyone knows what he's talking about, please let me know, because I really don't know what was going on there. I have no idea what he's talking about. Anyway, boom. At least it wasn't Google Translate.
Never type these things
Oh,
into
that's
Google
loud.
Translate. If you type in the word dog multiple times and translate it to Maui, it'll tell you that we're approaching the end times and Jesus' return. And if you ask Google Translate if it is capable of killing someone today in Somali, it will ask you if you have a life insurance policy, almost as if it's speaking back to you. Never type these things.
I hate myself for this, but I'm going to have to try this. Okay, let's do it. First one was dog, 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 dog. Oh, I didn't finish. It was in Maori. And yeah, kuri, 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 kuri. Okay, so that obviously doesn't work. The other one was, are you capable of killing somebody there? Are you capable? I really hope this doesn't make me end up on some weird watch list. Into Somali, correct? Yeah, obviously this, I have no idea what he's talking about. I think it was just clickbait and it has nothing to do with reality. And so no idea what that was about. But anyway, just some examples of some really bad takes, translation takes that you can find online. And if you know of any others, feel free to let me know. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. I can do some research and see if I can find something else, not just the standard Google Translate crap, but, you know, other ones. However, I just wanted to give you a sample of the stuff that's out there. So I would suggest to be very careful who you listen to online when it comes to, well, anything. But anyway, that's about it for now. I'm not going to end it with this guy on the screen, and I should end it with myself, but I have no idea how to do this. I'll make myself a bit bigger. And just to say, Savidum.